Hello and welcome back to my lessons. This is some of the lessons how to practice successfully in the trading and improve your system every day. And in this lesson, you will learn about the RPDCA. I will explain what it is and 8 factors in this method. And so let's get started. And the first one, what is RPDCA? And from the left side to the right side. Here is a circle method to improve your business, so trading goals or everything like the manufacturing as well. From the left side to the right side, we have the recognitions. Set up the plan for the trading or the back testing as a plan and check again the results and improve it and do it like circles. Never stop it, even you can get the very best goal, but you still need do these methods again and again, like the football player, even they don't go into the match, but they still practice every day to keep the performance. That is what I want to say in this method, RPDCA. And so I will explain one by one factors to fully understand this one. Might be this theory quite boring to you, but this is a very important step to be professional in the trader. Most of the traders focus on the technical analysis or fundamental analysis. They don't know how to improve it, therefore they still work like very stupid things to trading, therefore they losses every times. And the first one, recognition. In trading, recognition means that we have 3 factors. The first one, you need to know about your assets ready for the trading, and the trading goal, it means that you want to have the how many money you want to earn from the trading in 1 month. From that time, you can decide how many percent of your account you're ready to lose in the one trade. From that, you can calculate the loss side you want to trade in the one trade. How to calculate the loss side, I already teach you in the lesson about the pips, about the lot leverage. You can watch it again and calculate it. The next one, in the recognition, you need to understand very fully about the personalities. Understand about the personality, you can know which trading style is suitable for you, and from that time you can develop trading strategies for that styles. And the next one, your trading strategies. You need to understand now your trading strategies is bad, is good, is excellence, or you are the expert. How can you calculate that? Based on some of the factors like the win rate, like reward per rate ratios, drawdown in your account. What is drawdown? Drawdown, it means how many percent you lose and how many percent from the top of the balance until the lowest of the balance. And the next one is how many pips you gain or you have profits by pips in 1 month and losses in 1 month to calculate about your ability in the tradings. From that time, you can decide how many times you need to practice 1 day and whether you are ready to real trading or continue trade in the demo account. And one thing, this thing can decide whether you are ready to increase the loss side to earn more money in the market or still keep to remain lost in the trading. And the next one, when you can recognize about your ability, the trading, your strategies, everything. At this time, you need to set up a plan to the trading. The first one is trading goals. You want to have how many money in 1 month, and when you can start to do that, and when you need to check it. It means that's the deadline for your target. And the next one, if you want to improve your trading strategies, you need to know what is the problem with your trading strategies and why you need to improve it, and when you need to finish this improvement and how you can improve it. That is very important. You need to understand fully about this. These things you might be learn about while you working in the office, in some company, but in the trading career, you also can apply this, very useful. And the last one, in the trading plan, you need to set up how many currency pair you can trade and you should trade while you're trading. If you are the new trader, I recommend you only trade from the 1 to 2 major pair. And if you have the experienced traders, but at this time, the trading strategy is not good. it means that you still have no any profit. I recommend you to trade from the 3 to 4 pairs 1 times on week. And if you are the expert or the profitable trader, also maximum is 12 pairs to controls in 1 week, because when every pair has the signals traced, it means that you have no time to check all the pairs. You should choose the best pairs in a week to follow it and to get profit as much as possible in that pair. And the next step is do. What is this? How can you do? The first thing is the backtest. Backtest is very important, like the football, soccer, backtest every day, every month. Even they don't go into the match, but they still practice. They still practice to keep the performance. Like you are the trading, like you are the traders, you also need to practice every day. And for me, here is my practice time in the 1 week. From the Monday to Friday, I will practice 3 hours per day, and in the Saturday to Sunday also the same, but the action is different. Monday to Friday, I will practice the trading. It means that I will open the trading view, jump into the history with the review mode, and analyze the charts like my standards, and set up the orders to know whether I can lose, whether I can fail, and I will analyze that one. In the weekend, like the Saturday, like the Sunday, I not trading like this. I will open the charts, also jump into the market, select and trade just several trades. For the Monday to Friday, I will trading like from the 10 to 20 trade per day backtest, because once you backtest, you can move on very quickly. But on this time, I just select several trade and analyze very carefully about the markets, and also review the gains about my trading during the week to know why I lose, why I win, and which signals I can win and which signals I can lose a lot. I will reduce or increase the good signals. And the next one, trading and analyzation. It means that you will analyze the real charts and set up the trade in the live trade. And for example, you are the swing traders. Normally, you need to analyze from the Monday, and during other day, you need to check your charts 2 times per day before each section, like before the Euro section, like before the US section, because that section has a big movement in the markets. Therefore, you need to understand the before pictures after the markets can go into a very high fluctuation like that section. And the next one, you need to open the charts and analyze when the market have an alert to you, because you already set the buy limit or the stop order at that level, and you could also set the alert when price come into that level. The trading will send an email to you to alerts, and will open the charts to analyze whether you still can entry like this or you can delete it, because it's very important. Market have high fluctuations. It means that our stop or your limit order is not good. You delete it to reduce your loss. And the last one, when you practice or you trading analyzation, you need to recording all the data, and you also need to review again these things. When you recording, you need to remember some things. The first one, you need to recording why you entry, why you exit, and time frame you exit, time frame you trading, and how many pips gain, risk and reward ratio, everything like this. How can you analyze? You need to recording in the Excel files. And how can you exit? You also need to do the same thing to know why you think that's the best time. And the next step is very important. Check. What is check? How to check? The first one, you need to compare your achievement with your plan you set in the first step. How many percent you already get, and how many percent you still need to do and improve it. And the next one, check the recording data. Very important. Check the good trade, check the bad trade, and why you win and why you lose, and you keep asking why you lose, why you entry at that time, and why the signals is not good, why the signal is the best. You need more data to judgment fully, and keep asking why until you can have the root cause for the problems. And the last one is the action. Action, it means that now you already improve, and now you already define what is the problem in the trading, and you need to improve it. And add the solution in your trading standards. Trading standard, I will guide you how to establish it in the next lesson. But in this lesson, you need to understand we have the standard trading and why you can improve. You already need to add it in the standards and follow it. And that's also all about lesson today. Thank you very much and see you next lesson.